Welcome to this video. This video is in the line of a series of continuous statistical videos. So we are dealing with median. Now we are coming to the continuous series. This is how we will solve the continuous series. First of all, if data is not arranged in the chronological order, so the first step is to arrange the chronological order or in the ascending order. You can also arrange in the descending order. Answer will come out as same. So this is the question. These are the class intervals because we are dealing with the continuous series. So these are the class intervals and these are number of students. It means we can refer as class, and this is also known as F. So we can write F here. Now the next column, you have to find out cumulative frequency, that is CF. In the last video we learned about how to calculate cumulative frequency. So if you want to learn that cumulative frequency, you can go back to the video, that is median with discrete series. Now we are dealing with the continuous series. We need to calculate this cumulative frequency. So first of all, for the first one is 7. Then you have to add 7 to this 15. That comes out as 22. Now you have to add this 22 to the figure 24. That is 46. Now you have to add 46 to 31. It is 78. 77 means. 77. Now you have to add 77 to 42. 77 plus 42 comes out as 119. Now you have to add 119 to 130. So it means that is 149. Now you have to add 26 to 149. The figure comes out at 175. Now you have to add 175 to this 15. So the answer comes out as 190. Now the last one is 190 plus 10, that is 200. So here this cumulative frequency or the total of this frequency is 200. Now the first step is you have to calculate the median class. It means where the median lies. So in order to calculate this, you have to apply the formula, that is n by 2. Here n by 2 because we do not add 1. Because we have to add 1 only in individual series and in discrete series. In continuous series we are not adding 1. There is one reason, because we are dealing with the class interval and we do not know the exactly where our median lies. That is why we cannot add 1. So here n means this is the total n. So 200 divided by 2, that is 100. It means 100th item is your median class. Now you have to find out that where this 100 lies in this class. So it means 100 lies in this 119 class because 100 is less than 119. So we need to encircle or we need to box this line because our median lies in between these two figures, between 25 and 30. So 119 is our median class. Now we have to apply the formula to calculate median with the continuous series. So the formula is as follows, that is L plus 1, that is n by 2 minus Cf upon F, or total of F, into I. This is the formula to calculate median class. Here the L1 is the new figure. L1 means in the class interval you have to find out the lower limit. Here L1 is 25. So you have to calculate that 25. After that you have to place the value of n by 2. The value of n by 2 we calculated as 100. n by 2 is 100. Now you have to calculate CF. CF, we are taking CF of the preceding class. That is, this is our median class. We have to take CF, it means in this column, of the preceding class. That is 77. Now upon total, that is F, you have to add the frequency. This 42 frequency will come in the place of this F into I. Here I means the class interval, the gap between the classes. Here the gap is of 5. So this is how we done with the formula. We are just placing the values which we found in the calculation of these figures. So now 100 minus 77 is 23 by 42 into 5. Now we calculate with the help of calculator. So that is 25 plus 0.547 into 5. So first we have to multiply this. So 25 plus 2.73, and the answer comes out as 27.73. So this is your perfect answer. It means the value of median. So value of median is 27.73. This is your final answer, because 27.73 lies in between these two figures. That's our perfect median. Hope you like this video. This is the video of continuous series while we are calculating median. Please share, subscribe and like our channel. Thank you so much.